Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and I'm in San Mateo, California at 50 Mounds, top of the mounds in San Mateo, and we're going to be installing a camera inside an elevator today with Paramount Elevators. So I'm going to show you guys this whole project, and we installed about 5 or 6 cameras around the property. We'll swing back around and show you guys all the stuff that we installed also. Let's check it out.
And hopefully we're really happy with the equipment, you know, I'll be glad we finally get this elevator. That's been our missing piece.
Where's the network room?
There you are.
Oh, bam. And then the elevator is just down this way or something? Okay, yeah. Cool. So what's weird is this conduit right here with that white goes all the way to this garage over here.
Oh, it goes this way.
Yeah, so, because there's a camera in the elevator already. And then that conduit, but we think that this is going into that room. If we went through that conduit and just went to that junction box, pull the string, and then we just conduit back and drilled into the side of the elevator again, this whole run would be there. Then it would just be 2 sticks over or something, you know? Because there's the green strings right here. We're gonna use this pull string and then put another pull string on it, pull a black wire through here, and then we'll just have it exposed there to there. The elevator has its own power to power the elevator, and then it has a second line of power for the lights in the elevator. That's part of the safety emergency that's not on the elevator's power. And that power is what our access point is going to be on. Yep, so that way if that WAP acts up, they can just reboot. They have a breaker, reboot that, or or waiting for the elevator guy to come troubleshoot. So then I was picturing, I told them to have like a 12 by 12 junction box on top, flex down into the car where we would just put the Cat 6 and mount the camera. And then on top of the junction box, I was just gonna bolt the WAP to the top, just looking straight up at the one next that's gonna be on the ceiling. So they're just looking at each other the whole time. Or we do the same thing if we go on the bottom, it's just looking right at each other. So I was picturing like a junction box, like I can't see that whole thing right there, but it'd be like attached to the top of that, just a white square. Not that one in particular, whatever you dedicate and come up with. Looking at another white square right on top. Because it could be, you know, just like one conduit coming up to whatever height, and then it's just one Cat 6 cable into this little, it's about this big, this little antenna. You just gotta figure out where we can come in. Loop around, get to your tray, all the way up to the top, then attach.
Yeah, so we'll have to go around into or run a whole new.
Straight up.
Just straight up. That'd probably actually be easier than.
That's what Martin was originally saying, was just going straight up. Yeah, one wire.
60.
Yeah, whatever. We can't do anything out of code, obviously, right?
Yeah.
So you just tell me what has to be done,
Yeah,
and you guys
exactly.
help me design it, right?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. There's one comes out right here.
That's probably it. So I think
that one goes there and across and goes back up.
Let's run up to the machine.
Yeah. Okay. The door closed. We're locked in the elevator machine room. If we have to go this way, it'd be experimental to see if it's going to work. And then if not, we could also double check to see, hey, can we do wireless or can we not do wireless 100%?
I can look into wireless either way, but this is probably the
better
legal route.
Legal route, yeah.
Back at top of the mounds, finish up the elevator camera install. We got the elevator guys out here to add their conduit inside their elevator shaft and get our wire up and then down through their big long traveler cable. And then we'll take it from there and put in some equipment in the elevator car, mount our camera. Should be out of here. Plugging in this last camera so that it can get online and get its updates. It can sometimes take some time. Trying to peel back this jacket so we can hardwire it QE. God.
All right, guys, we're getting up out of here. We have done the wire pull. We made all of our connections done. So, yep, cut it. See, God damn it. Our wire pull was done successfully and all of our connections were made successfully. Our camera is up and running. We've got to see the shot. Can't wait for you guys to get to see it as well. Other than that, me and Brian have successfully spent a whole day here and we are now done. Yep, we're all good.